Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. On video, you get video boost for a smoother view. Night sight in the dark. Left in real time, so you look like you. It does amazing things. You can capture the cosmos with the right light, zoom in, make the mini negative. And yeah, that too. Nice. Photos made perfect with the tab. Want more control? Shoot with full-level tools modeled after DSLR controls. Or reimagine an image with Magic Editor from Google Photos. While you're out there taking great pics, Titan M's built-in VPN help keep your info secure. And Safety Check has your back. Turn it on, then we'll text emergency contacts if you can't tap in. And you're home. It doesn't just keep you safe, it saves you time. Summarizing web pages, screening calls, even holding for you. By making